UpWork. This is not much of a software, it's actually a website. Now, this website is a marketplace to find freelancers. And finding freelancers, finding virtual assistants is one of the best ways as a solopreneur to delegate tasks you don't want to deal with and get things done faster than what you could do on your own. Or just delegate things that honestly are just not even worth your time. The beautiful part of UpWork is that you have so many freelancers available there, and it's really easy to find one for an affordable price. And also realize one of the biggest misconceptions I have seen people have is they're thinking that to hire a virtual assistant, you need this big budget. You need to hire somebody, pay somebody a salary, and so on. That could not be further from the truth. The thing is about hiring a virtual assistant on something like UpWork is you can literally pay $5, $10, $50, $100 for a specific task that you need to get done to just take it off your hands. You can literally give them, as an example, type up your lead magnet on a Google Doc with the text, okay? 2-3 pages. You take that, you post a job in UpWork and you say, I will pay $20 to somebody to basically take this text and make it into a beautiful Canva lead magnet ebook, basically. So I can use that as a lead magnet. That's it. Here's my colors, here's my font, here's some images I want included. Please do it for me. You can go and do that on your own on Canva. It's going to take you an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, depending on how perfectionist you are, how savvy you are, all that good stuff. You can probably get a much better design from somebody from UpWork who's going to do this for you for 10, 15 bucks, right? This is an example of why UpWork is so great because you can really outsource little things. Now, there are other competitors to UpWork, such as Fiverr or FreeUp, and there are other ones as well. Now, I'm actually going to leave a PDF downloadable for you to check out with the different tasks to do with outsourcing and different options and things along these lines, so you can see what the different options are. I just found UpWork to have a good enough range of freelancers, and that's where I usually found most of my freelancers to do work for me. Now, as an example, the person that's doing the editing for this video right now is somebody that I found on UpWork, and they have been with me for well over a year, recording videos for me, and they are full-time on my team doing video editing. So UpWork is a great platform, definitely has good quality. And it's not so much about whether you use Fiverr or UpWork or FreeUp or any of these marketplaces. What's more important is how you filter them. How do you decide who to hire, when to hire, and things like that. And I have found that there are different successful actions that I've done to be able to hire people. And I talk about all of them in my course, Managing and Hiring Virtual Assistants. If you're interested in that, there's going to be a link for you below, or you can comment the word hiring and I will send you the link to check it out. So UpWork is a great place if you want to delegate anything. I really believe that anybody that's starting a business, even if you're in the early stages, you will do yourself a great service to just hire a virtual assistant to do one thing, purely to get the experience of how easy it is to actually hire out some work that you don't want to or can't do or shouldn't do or don't feel like doing or don't know how to do. So Eran.link/UpWork, that's my affiliate link for you to check it out. I definitely recommend it.